Alright, what do we got here? A Bose. That's disgusting. There's a Bose. I think I'll take that. That looks like fun. AV321 Media Center. What we got on here? No HDMI. Optical. AM loop antenna. FM antenna. Acoustimass module. I don't think there's no speakers in this. And it's got like a 9-pin. Interesting. Well, today's beer is Icy Bay, and I dropped it. It seems to have sprung a leak. Guess we'll be drinking sideways. Lord have mercy. Well, it's not too breezy back here. Got my little Vibrax. I guess what we'll do with this beer yeah. I guess that'll work. Man, these guys have been living on the hook for like most of the winter, I think, out there. That's pretty impressive.